Hey guys, what is up? This is Lucky4321. I'm gonna be Lemonjatis, I'm sorry, but right here I'm gonna bring you Black Ops Zombies Marvel of the Dead gameplay Alcatraz. As you see here, we're in a prison with prison cells, hanged bodies. This video from MW3 stream. Here, right here, we're in Thinger. It says Broadway up there. Don't know if that means anything, but right here, there's, I don't know where that is, but we've got here, sorry it's not good, look, I can't think right now, cause this, hold on, as you see right there, I think that's a gun place, see how the glow right there, and they're bringing back the Tommy gun, well they're not bringing it back, but we're gonna get the Tommy gun, yay, I can't wait for this. I mean, Tommy gun. Who doesn't want the Tommy gun?
Picture.
I mean, look at it. We got 4 new characters. The hang body up there. It's got this, the hat, the nice hat. Yeah. Look right there. It's the boss. It's gonna be a prediction of the boss. Don't know if you guys can see good, but I saw another trailer. This is apparently is the LSAT multiplayer. But yeah. Skip up to this. Right here are some body bags. Yeah. But yeah. New map Alcatraz. So we'll see you later. I'll have a better video when I've got rid of this Lemonjatis. See ya.